Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to quickly resize any photo with Canva's Magic Expand tool. First, click the Create button to start a new project. Select Custom Size from the menu, then enter 300 by 300 pixels as your dimensions. Choose any elements you want from the available selection here. For example, use the search bar to quickly find a specific photo in your library. Select an item from the list. Next, check the box next to the option you want to use. Now, browse through your photo library and select the photo you want to include. Once you've made your selection, locate and click the button labeled Insert or Add to complete the process and finish your selection. Now, let's use the Magic Expand tool on this photo. Select the image, then click the Magic Expand button to proceed. Place the image in the center. Click the Magic Expand button, then click OK. This expands your workspace, allowing you to add more details in this area. Click outside the image, then click the Expand button. Wait for the tool to finish generating new images based on your photo. This process may take a few moments, depending on image complexity and server load. Once the generation is complete, you'll see a gallery of fresh images. Review them to ensure they meet your requirements before proceeding to the next step in your workflow. Select your desired options, then click Done. Once you've finished making changes, click the Share button. Now, choose the download option to save your file to your computer quickly and easily. Increase the image size to improve quality. Then click the download button to save the updated image to your device in higher resolution. Now you know how to resize photos with Canva Magic Expand. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick tips.